how to enroll for a course on Big Brains Academy. Click on Student Registration. Enter your name, your surname, your username, your valid email address, your password, and repeat the same password. Now, click on Register. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can access various settings. Click on All Courses. Select your course and click Enroll Now. Fill in your billing information. Click on Place Order. Copy down our banking details, use your cell phone number as reference and click on the WhatsApp button to submit proof of payment. Once your payment has reflected, you will receive an email confirmation. Now back to your dashboard and click Enrolled Courses. Now click on Active Courses. Now click on Start Learning. Congratulations, your child is ready to start learning.